Welcome back to K&K Vlogs, guys. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to K&K Vlogs and happy Vlogmas Day 2. We are going to head to Clark's Vegas and do some shopping. Maybe get a Christmas tree. I know for sure we have to send off this package because it needs to be sent off. It's our reborn that we just do on this channel. And we have some sweet tarts that I'm gonna eat because I already ate all my gummy bears.
So you're just gonna eat my sweet tart?
Yeah. Are you ready this box though?
Yes, after I get done, I'm ready to leave.
Thank you. The day, Office Depot to send off our box. Wow. This way. Hi. Man, you saw me right before I pulled out the camera too.
I seen you take a lift down there.
Oh.
I'm trying to find.
So we are looking for an ornament for our tree. So we pick out an ornament every year for our tree, so one day will be cool. But I'm not finding any here. So we might go over to Target because we also need a tree. Look at this. Candy cane cutie. That's cute.
Candy cane cutie.
That's you. Seriously? Okay, we're at Target now. Hopefully we will leave with something. If not, then this is just a fail.
Yeah, like serious.
Shut up. Bam. There's people raining. Oh, it's warm here. It smells like popcorn and babies are crying. It's great. Christmas section, yay! Chocolate games? Oh. I'm looking for a tree. Anybody have a tree? We got our tree and we're on the way home. We're not on the way home, we're going to my dad's. But we're gonna end this vlog here. It's taken 2 days to do this because we'll tell you guys this story in a little bit. But yeah, love you guys and we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye! Okay guys, so we figured we'd inform you about the mall thing because we didn't do any of our shopping and it's
We got it done today though.
Yeah.
Some of it.
So you'll see that in tomorrow's vlog. What? What?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
So, pretty much we were at the mall, just wasting time because we couldn't find a tree and I was mad. So we were going to do some of our Christmas shopping. But, we really couldn't find anything anyways. But, we were just in Aeropostale. We were about to leave.
We just got in there fast. We didn't even look around.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't.
We were about to leave.
Agree to disagree, but continue.
We were about to leave.
Okay.
We had looked at everything and we were about to leave.
We were about to leave.
Yes, because we couldn't find anything. And then he was like, why are all these people running? And all it was like teenagers. I was like, oh, just stupid kids, you know. And the next thing we know, there's adults running. And then like stores are like closing like their bar things. So they're like stores. And so we start walking out and then like pretty much someone was just like, there's a gun, they're shooting, blah, 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 blah. But overall, there was not a shooting. It was just a fight. And then someone said they saw a gun. And then...
That's it?
Yeah. So we had to walk around the whole entire mall in the freezing cold.
It wasn't that cold.
It was freezing. Freezing! But yeah. That is the story time.
Story time. Alright.
Our second story time.
Yep.
We'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye!